Alrighty then guys, welcome to the month of November, part 2, because we already did part 1 of my cousin. You guys can check out playing more Wii games with my cousin video on Gamer16 Gamer. So yeah, this is just going to be not a compilation, but this video will be titled Crashing My Devices, or my electronics. So we're going to be doing 4 today: my phone, my 3DS, or my 2DS, my new 2DS XL, or actually no, it's my friend's, but it looks like mine, and then my Wii U and my Wii. So yeah, so let's get started with the iPhone XR. This might be something that I'm having. I'm not too sure if all of you have this, but now to do this glitch, it's a crashing bug. It just crashes the app. You got to go into iPhone storage right here, and then you just got to go to messages. You can pick any one of these. I'm just going to pick GIF and stickers, and it crashes the iPhone. So yeah, I could click any of these. It's just going to crash it. I don't know why it does it. I updated my firmware. I'm actually going to call Apple and see what they have to say about this, because this is a pretty bad issue. Yeah, it's not good, because I need to delete some stuff in there, and yeah, it's the only thing that is broken in here. So yeah, so that's basically the first device that I just wanted to show you guys, and now let's move on to my friend's new 2DS XL. Excuse me. The Sound of Death, Nintendo DS Edition. It's a me, Mario! So I'm going to show you guys on how to just crash your DS family, 3DS, 2DS, you name it. So you're just going to have to open the application like normal. Oh, and it's not showing now. Very suspicious. So I'll be right back to when it actually works. Probably broke the game. Alright, so you just want to enter in any game mode. I'm just doing versus, for example, just to show everybody that it works. Now I'm only going to show the top screen because that's what really matters. Alright, so yeah, we're on the final lap, and basically what you got to do is you just got to go on the staircase here. That's like right over there. And then here, let me just turn on that, and then you just want to just hold the B button as if you were braking, and then hold these two buttons down at the same time, just for motion. And then you just want to do something like this, and we crash the game. So there's the Sound of Death for the DS edition. Yeah, oh yeah. Now in order to exit this, you just want to just hit OK, which I'm not going to do yet, or just hit the power button off, hold it down as if it were a normal DS, or etc. Now, then it'll say software closed, hit the home button again, and then you're good. Now, I'm not going to turn it off yet, because that's what we normally do during crash videos. It's the crashing ceremony. So, let's transition over to the Wii U now. Oh yeah. Okay, folks, so now we're on to the Wii U / Wii mode. Alright, so you want to go into training mode. You want to do as followed. You want to get King DDD and the Ice Climbers. Now, you want to get this item, but you also want to make sure in the item section you turn on only the Smart Bomb. Now, I'm trying to find no, not that. I'm trying to find the Smash Ball, which I am struggling to find. Alright, so you need this. Okay, now do not worry about that. That is normal. And then, if I were you, I would probably go in the middle of these guys and crash it. And then, also, as you can see, the 3DS is frozen. Now, if I don't do this the first time, guys, you guys can check out another video that I made. Now, you don't want to get Smart Bombs, which is what I thought you had to get last year. In December, I actually tried this last year. So, you want to get this. And then you just want to spam the crap out of that. And let's see if it'll work. Alright, ready? Let's go. And And then it did not work as expected. Okay, so I'll be back when I think I'll get it right. Be right back. Whoops. Okay, we did it. We are the champions of the Wii. Oh God, nasty, nasty. Oh my goodness God. Oh, turn that down. Turn that down. Turn the flow. Turn the flow. Everybody. Everybody. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is so loud. Wow. 2 sounds of death. Wow. Absolutely just unbelievable. Now, I don't know if you guys could hear both of them, but here is the Wii U's. Like, what are your initial reactions to me freezing this, guys? Like, isn't that crazy or what? So yeah, so that's how you freeze the Wii U or Wii in Smash Bros. Brawl. Watch how loud this is. Ear rape. Now, since we're on a Wii U, basically, we actually cannot just hit the power button off. We actually have to literally unplug it. But guys and y'all, we're going to be doing that after. So yeah, I'll see you guys on New Super Mario Bros. Wii, which AKA is the hardest, by the way. Why isn't the volume on, scaredy cat? What do you think of me now, boy? Yeah? Alright, so now this I think is not a game glitch. I think this is just this ROM that has this glitch. So basically what you need to do is go into any mode. I think this is just the ROM. Nobody has talked about this. You just have to, it involves something with the cursor. I just screwed up. Sorry about that. We always have errors on here. It's fine. Then you need to go into this mode. You need to go into Melee. I discovered this by accident. Now, this is in order to get the sound of death. Do any of these characters. And then any level you want. You just simply want to move the cursor around like this. It should take a little while to work. And voila. It should work in just a minute. Hold up. Oof, my head feels cold. Oh, that was a little loud. Well, yeah, on 37. Okay, so it crashed. And voila! Now, for some reason, it feels less creepy to do it on Mario Party, and I kind of regret not doing it on there. So yeah, that's how you crash Super Smash Bros. Melee and get the GameCube sound of death. So yeah, let's hear all of them together, boy. Alright, ready? And I am including the iPhone's crash as well. So ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy Glitch Mania Group Session Day, November 15th, 2020. So yeah. Now, how about we crash it 3 times? And then I'm going to show you guys on how to fix all of them. So ready? Alright. The 3 sounds of deaths and the iPhone crash. 1, 2, 3. HB to all the sounds of deaths and glitches. Woo! Alright, so we are going to power off my phone first. So all you have to do is just this, and then that's it. So we're just going to leave it there since that is defeated. Hey, don't turn on. This is a demonstration. Alright, next up is the Nintendo DSi. I'm just going to call it DS Family. So let's mute it. And so here's this. All you gotta do is just hit the home button and hit OK. Actually, you know what? We're just gonna do it the classic way. Just gonna hold it down. Boom. And we just turn it off. The end. Alright, so that's that. Now for the Wii, actually for the GameCube, you want to, slash Wii, you basically want to, and I might add a laughing effect, I don't know, this is just, crashing 4 devices is sick. Alright, so you just want to hit the power button right here to turn that off. So, ready? 1, 2, 3. Defeated! Alright, then for the Wii U, now I already explained the differences between Wii modes crashing and Wii crashing in the other video, so check that out. Now for the Wii U, alright, listen to that awful sound, everybody, and also just ignore that notification. That, of course, is another error brought to you by me. Alright, by my silly electronics. Silly, silly, silly. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to bring this over here. As you can see, just this is left. Now that we already explained, the Wii's already off. We gotta listen to this painful sound. Actually, it's not as bad, actually, on volume 6. And yeah, that is pretty loud here. Like, here, let me just turn this up. Nope, this doesn't even work either. Alright, so, sorry about that. So what you want to do is this. Ah, it doesn't work. Try doing this. Ah, nope. Doesn't work. You're just gonna have to unplug it the old-fashioned way. So you gotta wiggle this out right here, and then you just gotta do this. And then that will just go off. And that's it. There you go. And now, that is all of the devices crashed on. Now, they should all work normally. If they don't, you just got to do maintenance mode, which I'll leave the buttons layout in the description below. So yeah, thank you guys for watching my last kind of like series of crashing the electronics videos. If you guys enjoyed this, please do let me know what you guys thought. What'd you guys think? What are your initial reactions? And yeah, and anyways guys, I'll see you all probably in whatever video I make. Goodbye, guys. Goodbye. Likely Among Us tonight.